Welcome to Conditional Actions. Conditional actions allow you to control the execution of a recipe flow based on a condition and better define the workflow processing logic. There are two types of conditional actions, the if condition and the if-else condition. The if condition is basically an if statement, where actions are only carried out if the specified condition is true. For example, you can configure your recipe such that an account will only be created in Salesforce if the account ID cannot be found in Salesforce. With the if-else condition, you can specify what to do if the specified condition is true, and the else will specify other action to do if the specified condition is false. Adding on to the earlier example, you can specify that if the account ID is present, update the account. Let's look at how to configure an if condition in the Workato platform. To do so, click on the plus sign and select if condition. You can then set up your condition. Each condition consists of three parts: data field, condition, and value. Conventionally, the data field is the variable data from your app, for example, the list size or case status. Next is the condition type, where you can choose from a total of 14 types of condition, such as equals and greater than. Finally, the value is the static value you wish to check against. For example, 0 in this case when we are checking for the list size, or it can be other values such as closed or won, depending on your condition. Do note that data and values are case sensitive. Similar to trigger conditions, you can combine multiple conditions with the AND or OR operators to set up complex conditions. Each condition will be valid for different data types. If a condition is attempted to be used for invalid data types, it might prevent the recipe from starting successfully. If a condition is used for invalid data types, the recipe may not run correctly and might run into errors while processing action. It could also filter out all condition action events incorrectly. Most conditions do not work on null data, except is present, is not present, or equals, does not equal.